Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Audi A5. So from menu screen, if we go to, let's see, nav, there we go. The bottom there you see destination. Each of the four corners, if you see any instructions in the four corners, you've got settings there, destination there. They correspond to these buttons around the rotary selector. So destination, we click this bottom left hand one. There you go. And you've got address, and you can move like so to the screen you want. So we've got address. Click address. There we go. Up to postcode. Click postcode. And I like this system, the rotary control, rather than, you know, flicking through all the letters. So P, R, and now we need numbers. And you see there, AA there, delete, list, and in the corner here, there's 0 to 9. So we need to press that button onto the numbers. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5, 4. It's defaulted back to letters, J, S. And then in the centre, if you click the centre, that would have been OK. You can start route guidance there, or add street, set a stopover, but start route guidance, there you go. So navigate to that with
Your route is being calculated. Please follow the road for 3/4 of a mile.
So that's it. That's how to set the sat nav.